Now, this particular video is just simply to explain that when we want to solve for sides and angles in a right angle triangle, we can tap on our knowledge of trigonometric ratio and Pythagoras theorem to solve for either the sides or the angle. Okay, and here is some interesting guides that we can actually follow, because every triangle has 6 variables, meaning they either have the 3 angles or 3 sides. So given any 3 variables, we could actually solve for the remaining 3. So that is something that you all should take note of. So for any questions that we will need to solve, we do need to make sure that we have at least 3 out of the 6 variables. Okay, the only, and I repeat, the only exception is that we are only given 3 angles, then we cannot solve for the 3 sides. Okay, so please stay tuned for my subsequent videos where I will try to solve for the sides and angles using either trigonometric ratios or Pythagoras theorem.